What is going on, YouTube? We're back. So it's been well, about 24 hours or something. It's the next day, and I haven't gone anywhere. Haven't driven at all. Vehicle's still been in the garage, but I did get a chance to go online, go back into the forums, do some reading, and I learned a few things. Although Ford didn't say that the phone as a key is in beta, that's kind of the impression I got. Or at least it's the impression I got was that, hey, it's still a little quirky yet. Yep, I would agree. So what I did is I deleted the app, reinstalled it, logged back in, and then I went through the whole Bluetooth pairing part again. You've got to be in the vehicle with the app open, of course, and then essentially what it does is it goes through the whole pairing process. So, it'll send you the code from the car. You got to pair that. It takes a couple minutes to get going. But it seems to be working now. So like if I go over here and I press the start button, everything comes to life. Okay, so I just got an update too about Android Auto. The interesting thing is Android Auto has always worked. Even before I was having these issues with the phone as a key, like the Android Auto has always worked. I've been able to use the maps. I've been able to, stream music via Bluetooth. As I had said in the previous video, the unlock, the start, the lock button, that stuff has always worked. So I guess I don't understand why the rest of it hasn't. It's just the phone as a key portion, and if you look in my notifications up there, that little key looking guy, that's what tells you that the phone as a key is open. I really like the idea of that because we typically do always have our phones with us, so you never have to remember a key. But what I can tell you is at least for the next month or two or whenever, unless this app gets a significant software update, I'm not trusting it for the phone as a key portion. So I am definitely going to be having my key fob with me. As I've said, the vehicle itself is fully up to date. My app, fully up to date. This seems like a software bug to me. So I think Ford could probably figure this out and, release a patch, release an update, and the phone as a key portion of this app should work much better. I would have to think that they're going to be using this on the F-150 Lightning when that comes out, and maybe even many future vehicles. I just can't help but think I'm kind of one of the beta testers for this, at least for the phone as a key, and they're just still trying to figure it out. So they did, like I said, they did mention something to that effect, that not all the features might be available. So I guess I can't, point the blame at them 100%, but it is a little frustrating, especially when you get stranded. So word to the wise, if you've got a Mach-E and you're using the phone as a key, at least for the time being, early January when I'm recording this video, I think it's the 3rd today or the 4th, 4th today, make sure you have your fob with you until there's a significant app update, just so you don't get stranded. So anyways, guys, I hope you found this helpful. If you do, give me a like, give me a subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to sub. I promise I'll bring you some more Mach-E content. Hopefully we can all learn from each other, and we'll see you on the next video.